Hi everyone, I'm just making this video so that we could go over some new material. We're talking all about the letter A. And you guys already know how to write the letter A, and you know the two sounds that the letter A makes. But we're going to go a little bit more in depth with that so that you can recognize the two different sounds that A may make. Alright, so if you can see here, I have two lowercase a's. And they have some symbols over them. Let's start with this one. All right, so this is A, and there's this kind of like CU symbol up here. This means it says the short sound, so that we know to say ah for it. So some examples of the ah sound would be apple. Do that with me. Get ready. Apple. Again, get ready. Apple. One more time, get ready. Apple. All right, so we hear the sound in apple. Another word you'll hear the sound is ant. Ant. Sorry, there's a glare there. Let's try that together. Get ready. Ant. Again, get ready. Ant. One more time, get ready. Ant. So we have the short sound in apple, ant, and alligator. Alligator. Do that with me, get ready. Alligator. Again. Alligator. One more time. Alligator. So we have the short sound in apple, ant, alligator. Something we haven't talked about yet is that A also makes a different sound. Remember this symbol here? We have a line over it. That means we have to say the letter's name. So sometimes A simply says A. So we're going to say A, such as in this picture. Something we bake with. This is an apron. So, for this word, we hear the apron, the long A sound. Let's do that together. Get ready. Apron. Again, get ready. Apron. One more time. Get ready. Apron. So you hear the long A sound in apron. Now we're going to go through some cards, some words that practice with the short A sound and long A sound. So if you see here, these kind of look like what we do when we practice on our videos. I have some index cards here. You can make these at home if you want to practice some sounds and words. So we're going to go through some of them. So starting at the first dot, watch me. Had. Let's do that together. Really pronouncing this sound in the middle, okay? Not A, Short A sound. Get ready? Had. Let's do it again. Get ready? Had. One more time. Get ready? Had. Do it by yourself. Get ready? Nice job saying had. All right, next one. Let's do this word. Okay. Another short A sound. Watch me. Bat. Let's do that together. Get ready. Bat. Again, get ready. Bat. One more time. Get ready. Bat. Try it by yourself. Get ready. Nice job. Remember, I know I look at the camera and look a little goofy when I go but you really need to try to pronounce those sounds in there. Let's do one more with a short A sound. Watch me first. Lap. Let's do that together. Get ready. Lap. Again, get ready. lap. One more time, get ready. Lap. Lap. By yourself, get ready. Good. Alright, so those are our 3 short A words. We're also going to do some long A words. And I put the symbols in these ones, just so you can remember that we need to say the letter name. Alright, we know that A says ah, but now we're going to do words where A says its name. And this E on the end here, sneaky E, is going to tell this A to say its name. So if you notice, all of my words have an E at the end. They all have an E at the end of them. So we're going to practice using that long A sound. Let's watch me first. A, n, cane. Let's do it together. Get ready. A, n, cane. Again, get ready. A, n, cane. One more time. Get ready. A, n, cane. Notice that I didn't say the sound at the end. There's no dot under there. So I'm not going to say that sneaky E because it's quiet. It's telling this letter to say its name. It's bossy. All right, next word. Okay, watch me first. Cape. Like, I wear a cape because I'm a superhero. All right, let's try that together. Get ready. Cape. Again, get ready. Cape. One more time, get ready. Cape. And you try. Nice job. All right, see if you can do this one on your own before we try it together. I'm going to challenge you a little bit. Get ready. All right, you should have gotten ape, tape. Let's try that together. Get ready. Ape, tape. Again, get ready. Ape, tape. One more time, get ready. Ape, tape. And by yourself, get ready. Nice job. So we learned today that A has 2 sounds. It has the short A sound and the long A sound. So in the attached assignment, you're going to have to sort some pictures based on what you hear in them. You might hear k, a, t, so that would go to short A side. Or you might hear t, a, p, and that would go to long A side. So it's just some practice for you to begin to try and hear the differences in those vowel sounds. All right, bye everyone.